Prosecutors today urged the jury to return a guilty verdict against Constable Collis Chucky Brown, who is accused of being a member of the so-called police death squad in Clarendon. The policeman is on trial in the Home Circuit Court for 3 counts of murder, conspiracy to murder, and wounding with intent. Prosecutors allege that Brown and members of his team conducted extrajudicial killings between January 2009 and December 2012. TVJ's Anthony Lugg was in court.
In her closing arguments this afternoon, lead prosecutor Queen's Counsel Carolyn Hay told the jury that the case was not complicated, describing it as, quote, a case of cock-mouth kill cock, end quote. According to Mrs. Hay, the recorded interviews given by Constable Brown to the Indicom investigators about his involvement in the targeting of suspected criminals in Clarendon are clear. She said he gave the recorded statements voluntarily, adding that the policeman talked himself into trouble. The lead prosecutor also pointed to the fact that the accused was the one who reported his involvement in the death squad to Jamaica's For Justice JFJ. She argued that Brown went to Indicom and JFJ because he wanted to expose what was happening in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. She then urged the jury to reach a verdict which shows that the policeman acted outside of the law. Earlier today, retired Assistant Commissioner of Police Leon Rose gave character evidence on behalf of Constable Brown, describing him as a diligent and hard-working policeman while he was under his command in 2003. Under cross-examination from prosecutors, Mr. Rose insisted that there was no death squad in the police force. He testified that he's unaware of the High Command sanctioning the unlawful killing of suspected criminals in his 42-year service to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He added that it would be a criminal offense for commanders to instruct junior officers to act outside the law. The trial resumes tomorrow. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.